Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see right here on my screen, we have a $15 no deposit bonus that you can withdraw from, and this is the legit no deposit bonus, and a lot of people have withdrawn in the past, but right now, as you can see, it is active in 2026. It has been renewed in 2026. Now you might not believe this, but I'm going to show you immediately how you can get it and how to withdraw from it, and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw. Now, for many of you that might not believe that this $15 no deposit bonus is real, or maybe you don't believe that no deposit bonuses are real, now let me show you. I dropped a free $10 no deposit bonus account yesterday for my Telegram people and my YouTube followers, and one of us was able to withdraw from the $10 no deposit bonus I dropped yesterday. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is my Telegram channel right here, and this is the withdrawal proof that the guy was able to withdraw from the $10 I dropped yesterday. So if you know that you're interested in getting your account funded without spending a dime, without you having to spend your money on it, this is the best channel for you to come to. Now, before we start, in order for you to get this free $15 no deposit bonus, kindly take a moment and subscribe. Now, once you are done subscribing to my YouTube channel, make sure you take a screenshot and send it to my DM immediately. So now that you are done sending it to my DM, now let me show you the step-by-step processes on how to get this free $15 no deposit account. So the first step you have to take in order for you to get this free $15 no deposit account is for you to go to the description of this video. You'll find a link there, and if you go to my comment section, you also find a link there. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel and once you get there, you will see the link on where to claim the free $15 no deposit bonus. So once you click on the link, you'll be brought to an interface like this, okay? And once you get here, let me show you the things that you are to do. As you can see, stream Forex no deposit bonus credited to the participant who passes quiz and get $15. You will have 3 attempts to pass the quiz within 3 hours to get the $15. Now the quiz is very simple. The profit can be cashed out once met the trading volume within 30 days. Now come and see the trading terms and conditions for withdrawal. As you can see, this is it right here. The bonus will be credited automatically eligible client upon the company's direction. So now all you have to do is for you to execute at least 20 trades within 30 days. You just have to take 20 trades within 30 days, and the list of the lots that you must trade is 4.5. As you can see, the terms and condition is very simple for you to obey. So once you are done obeying these terms and conditions, your withdrawal is sure. So now let me show you how you can get this $15 no deposit bonus without having to go through any stress, and so that you won't forfeit your chance of getting it. So now the next thing for you to do, once you get to an interface like this, now let's wait for it to load. Once you get to an interface like this, as you can see, this $15 no deposit bonus is very legit. A lot of people have withdrawn in the past, and some people are now coming to me after someone else has withdrawn from the $10 no deposit bonus I dropped yesterday, and I don't want you to also regret like they are regretting right now. So make sure that after watching this video, you go back and watch this video finish, and after you watch it finish, you watch it carefully. Make sure you watch it carefully, because if you don't watch it carefully, you are going to miss your chance on getting this $15 no deposit bonus. So after you finish watching it, click on the link in the description and in the comments of this video. So once you click on it, you'll be able to get the $15. The faster you get the $15, the faster you withdraw from it, okay? So now once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do, as you can see, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on start quiz. This is it. Let's read more about this. Pass the quiz and get $15 to your account and 20 points in stream club. You will have 3 attempts, and you can use int at any time. Time for passing the quiz 3 hours. So let's pass this quiz within 3 hours. So now this is where you have to pay attention. In order to pass the quiz, just click on start the quiz. Click on start the quiz. So the first thing you have to do, since this is your first time of coming to this interface, the next thing you have to do is for you to sign up. So as you can see, this is it right here. I have just zoomed zoom it, just click on register. So once you click on register, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your name, your surname, your phone, your mobile phone number, and your password. So once you're done, just register. Now let me go back and show you, because I've already claimed mine and they won't allow me to claim it again because I've claimed it back then. Okay, so now once you are done register, once you are done register, once you are done registering, the next thing for you to do is, let me show you, is for you to verify your account. You will see how you are going to verify your account there. Once you are done registering, just go and verify your account. You verify your phone number. I've made a video about it in the past. If you can get the video, you can see how you can claim it. So now once you are done verifying, automatically you will receive your $15 no deposit bonus. And if you have any difficult situation that you are going through while claiming the $15 no deposit bonus, use the link in the description of this video. Join my Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel you will have access to message me directly. So once you message me directly, or you just drop a comment in the comment section, I will reply to you and I will guide you one-on-one on how you can get your $15 no deposit bonus. I just show you so that you can be sure of the website, so that you can know the terms and conditions for withdrawal, and so that you can know more about it. Now I want you to note this no deposit bonus is ending soon, so you have to be fast in participating in it, and it is available for all clients. There is no discrimination at all. You can just claim yours and start trading and withdraw your profits. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and your loved ones. Have a great day.